Hey heroes! If you want to do a freestanding handstand, but you're scared of falling over the top, come on then.
I'm gonna die.
If everyone around you just tries it and you don't feel like you can.
You let my kids do it all the time?
If you're scared of hurting yourself, then this video is for you.
We're going to be showing you step by step the best way to fall from a handstand so that you never have to be scared of this again.
Cue epic intro. Okay heroes, let's get one thing straight. Unless you backflipped out of the womb, you're not going to want to fall out of a handstand into bridge, through a walkover, or rolling out. Because most likely, it's going to look like this. Or this.
Ow!
Or this.
Ouch!
So we're going to teach you in 4 simple steps how to turn out of a handstand, because it's easy, it's safe, and it's accessible to everyone.
Now first off, your cartwheel side is the same side as your leading leg. So if I were to have my left leg in front of my right leg when I'm going into the cartwheel, that means that I'm doing a cartwheel on the left side.
Turning out of a handstand is very similar to the second part of a cartwheel. That's why we want to work out which way you prefer to cartwheel, because it's going to tell you which way you want to turn out of the handstand.
So in this drill, we're going to be trying cartwheels on both sides to find out which side you're most comfortable with. Now it's not important that the cartwheel is perfect, just make sure you're safe. In this drill, we're going to be using a spotter to guide your body through the journey that it needs to make when turning out of a handstand. Now, if you cartwheel on your left leg, then you want your right leg to be placed on the floor first when you turn out of a handstand. Now, what you're going to do in this drill is do a handstand straddle. And the spotter is going to take a firm grip on your hips. They are then going to turn you and then tip you so that the correct foot is placed on the floor first. The same foot as would be in the second half of your cartwheel. In this drill, we're going to be taking your cartwheel and repeating it over and over again as we gradually turn your cartwheel hands into handstand hands, so the second half of the cartwheel will be like you're turning out of a handstand. Now you can repeat this multiple times, but we're just going to show you 3. Cartwheel hands, halfway between, and handstand hands. Cartwheel hands, halfway between, and handstand hands. In this drill, you'll be turning out of a handstand, starting off to the side and then gradually moving where you're placing your foot so that it becomes more behind you. Now this is not the foot that is your leading leg, it is the opposite leg. So you can do this as many times as you want. Obviously we're just going to show you 3. Now you want to have a light spot, but it's more just to guide you rather than actually force you to do what you need to do. So you're going to start off in a straddle handstand, and you're simply just going to tip towards the side that you need to step down on. The next time you do it, before tipping, you'll twist slightly before tipping and stepping down. And then finally, for the full version, you'll want to twist so that when you step down, your foot is completely behind you. So this is turning out of a handstand. So what we've done so far is we've found which side you cartwheel on. We have worked out the journey that your body needs to take in order to turn out of a handstand. the third drill, we changed your cartwheel hands into handstand hands. And then the fourth drill, we've started you off just tipping that down the side and then turning more and more so that you're turning out fully behind you. We hope you enjoyed the video and that you now feel comfortable practicing handstands anywhere without fear.
So make sure that you click subscribe, ring the little bell, so that you don't miss out on our future knowledge bombs.